This is pipeline explosion at Amu Odofi local government, Lago to be precise, inside of Monile. Please, we need assistance from fire service. This video should go viral, please. We need the appropriate authority to intervene. It is massive. There has been a lot of destruction of houses here. It is assumed that people are inside the building itself. So this thing is real. It is happening live at Lago, Amu Odofi local government. Please. Look at it. It is happening live. It is live at Amu Odofi local government. Please. Lago first and first 2. That is where it's happening. Adeshoba. This video should go viral. We need appropriate authorities to intervene. The fire is ongoing now, as you can see. It is massive. Houses are destroyed. There has been a casualties. Unconfirmed casualties though. But houses are destroyed.
Let's see how the hell is advanced. See where the sounds of pipes burning. It's a good smell. The pipeline, exactly where the pipeline is. It's funny.
As you are seeing this fire, it's just opposite Bethlehem Secondary School, boarding school. All the students, all the young ones, all the students in that school don't know their whereabouts and their safety. This is the surrounding environment. The whole building there. As this is now entering houses one by one.
Hey, better help you downstairs.
This is happening live. The whole buildings around here, the whole Bethlehem school is pulled down. All the students inside, nobody knows their whereabouts inside the boarding school. All the roof here, all of them, as the fire is exploding more and more, it's coming more and more. The whole building surrounding by the explosion, all of them is pulled down. You see the roof? All the buildings are pulled down. In Bethlehem, right now, you can't see any building. The building surroundings, the churches, all of them have been pulled down. The fire is exploding more and more. No rescue team, no information. As you can see, right now, there's no motor. I don't know what they can do achieve with this kind of explosion. Thank you. On a Sunday morning. See how it pulled the whole roof down. All of them.